Starting with the introduction, what exactly is Zoho Chatbots? Zoho Chatbots are intelligent virtual assistants designed to evaluate customer interactions within the Zoho ecosystem. They seamlessly integrate with Zoho Desk, that is a help desk, as well as Zoho CRM, that offers a range of functionalities. These two topics will be delved deeper later by other people. So, why is chatbot important? The chatbot and customer interactions are important because chatbots allow for a experiencing exponential growth. They are an ideal solution for five main pointers such as uninterrupted availability 24/7. This provides a consistent support around the clock. Then there's enhanced lead generation. These this helps capturing leads by offering instant access to information and quantifying them based on the interactions with the chatbot. Elevated customer satisfaction, resolving commonplace issues promptly and efficiently, leading to a demonstrably improved customer satisfaction level. Zobot also helps in a streamlined workflow, which automates repetitive tasks, thereby empowering your team to dedicate their expertise to activities of higher value. Zobot helps in seamless Zoho integrations that helps leveraging the comprehension compatibilities of the Zoho ecosystem by connecting chatbots with your CRM and help desk data. Further continuing, how to start with your Zoho chatbot setup. This is a step-by-step guide. So first, log into your Zoho and access the Zoho chat. Further, establish a new chatbot by going on the dashboard and clicking on the Zobot and adding it. Then you have to assign a name that is a you have to consider that the name should be memorable as well as accurate according to your chatbot's need. For example, customer support chatbot. Then you have to select a domain that what will expertise in, as well as what kind of platform the chatbot is going to be from. Like, is it going to be there are three: sales expert or Zia webs, or the three different options that are given, a low code chatbot. Further, you have to build your bot profile by describing your bot and choosing further informations that are opted. Later, there are many more options such as idle chat handling and ensuring a basic reminder message that is a default message. You can also have allow handoff operators. You can also convert the bot to bot conversation action, such as it can restart the action or go back to a previous message, or it can continue with a human contact. Further, a basic Zobot chatbot setup is to create a conversational flow, and the first way the conversation starts is by creating a welcome message that is warm. So for example, hello, what can I do for you today? Later, you have to comprehend the user's intent and then further create your bots and use the different functionalities that Zobots offer, and and considering in mind that you respond to the user's input as well till the time you reach the end of the chatbot. Now coming to the integration part, why is Zobots integrated with Zosites? So the importance of integration is that seamless integration between your Zoho chatbot and your Zoho websites is paramount. This fosters a unified customer experience by enabling users to interact with the chatbot directly from your website. The main points of an integration process are accessing website settings, Within your Zoho website builder, you can navigate through the settings section. Locate your chatbot integration. Look for a section or option related to chatbot integration or live chat. Generate chatbot code back in your Zoho chat setting. Locate the integration section. Generate the chatbot integration code. That is usually a JavaScript format. Then add the code to the website. In your Zoho website builder settings, paste the generated code into the designated field and save your website changes. Lastly, not to forget the troubleshooting tips, briefly mention common integration issues like incorrect code placements or missing permissions. Advise users to consult Zoho's support documentation for detailed troubleshooting steps.